Dear students, the current topic is transformer. First of all, what is transformer? Transformer is a device which converts low voltage into high voltage or high voltage AC into low voltage AC. Accordingly, the transformers are of two types. Step-up transformer, which converts low voltage AC into high voltage AC, and step-down transformer, which converts high voltage AC into low voltage AC. Now, what is the principle of transformer? Students, transformer works on the principle of mutual induction. When two coils are placed close to each other, current passes through one coil, EMF is induced in the neighboring coil, then the phenomena is called mutual induction. Construction. As shown in the figure, transformer simply consists of a rectangular core of soft iron which is laminated to minimize eddy currents. There are two coils, primary and secondary coils. They are wound on this rectangular frame, but these two coils neither touch each other nor they touch the rectangular frame. The AC to be stepped up or stepped down is connected to the primary coil and output is taken along the secondary coil. Dear students, when alternating EMF is applied across the primary coil, varying current flows in primary coil, due to which magnetic flux changes. This magnetic flux is also linked with secondary coil and EMF is induced in the secondary coil. Suppose at any instant of time, phi p is the magnetic flux linked with primary coil and phi s is the magnetic flux linked with secondary coil. Then the EMF induced in primary coil is given by EP is equal to NP d phi p upon dt and ES is equal to NS d phi s upon dt. NP and NS are the number of turns in primary and secondary coil. Dear students, here we consider there is no leakage of flux. That means magnetic flux produced in primary coil is completely linked with secondary coil, that is phi p is equal to phi s. If phi p is equal to phi s, then from these two equations, this equation and this equation, we can have ES upon EP is equal to NS upon NP. Students, NS upon NP is called transformer ratio. If NS upon NP is greater than 1, it is called step-up transformer, and if NS upon NP is less than 1, it is called step-down transformer. Further, students, for an ideal transformer, remember that input power is always equal to output power. Input power, EP into IP, is equal to ES into IS. IP and IS are the currents in primary and secondary coils. Divide equation 1 by equation 2. You will have ES upon EP is equal to NS upon NP is equal to IP upon IS. Students, it is called transformer equation. Mostly all of the numericals related to transformer can be solved with the help of this equation.